Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use your audio settings on your iPad and how to turn on and change the volume buttons function on your iPad. So as default, if you use your volume buttons on the side of your iPad, then it will change the volume of your media playbacks. But if you want to use your buttons also to change the volume of the ringer or the alert noises, then you can turn on this option here at the ringer and alerts menu. Just tap on it, and this way it will use the ringer. So I will show you this in action. So when it's turned on, I will try to decrease the sound, and as you see it will show the media volume. This little line is for the media. But if I turn on this switch, then you will see that when I use the buttons, it will show us, if I go out, it will show us the ringer. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye.